Hi friends, I want to share a few words about what I shared in my Facebook. Along with females, Tamil Nadu DSP and some other policers killed Jayalalitha, Karunanidhi, some political personality like JM to attack the devotional power called as God Ayangarappa. For that they are attacking all the Anyaga Asrama and they are trying to say God Ayangaram as a five-stroke organization, or in Tamil we can say that as a Tivravat, along with some America forces and some America accused called as universal terrorists. Females are supporting universal terrorists to steal the properties of the some males or some richest peoples in their names. They are openly saying that I want to earn money and I want to eat the money of the God Ayangaran or God, because then I am female, no God in the earth. Female is on the God, and female is the God of the earth, then a God. Like that they are saying, and they are attacking asramas. They in Tamil Nadu DSP killed Jayalalitha and they are placing the sin others over others. I already say some example for that. They killed Nila Devi by saying, in the first entry they killed Nila Devi by saying Nila Devi need to sex with Varadarajan, the Asuran of Sogavana. Actually, as per my assumption, in Jayalalitha said, Anna the Asura Devan, only having a per life, I will not give per life to others. So Nadas and Nada supportive polices, DSP like others, killed Jayalalitha by some other attack, and they are in her life in Tamil Nadu by saying or by taking the universe of the universe are what Jayalalitha prepared inside the government by saying I created Pasarai for Anna's Perulai. That Pasarai is the problem because it was asked by Varadarajan the Asuran to sleep with life partners of Asura Dev. These Asura forces from Nadar caste like Selvin, like Raket Raja and other rowdies are attacking the Devar caste with the help of females. These females are saying Lord Kanna has a fake power and I want that power in my hand, because Lord Khanna is the killer of accused females, because Lord Khanna is specialist in female accused inside the females, and he will kill females, especially females who are doing forgery and accused activities inside the earth. So these type of females who are try to attack her or try to say Lord Kanna as a accused, they are all accused, so they are attacking like that. Now they are openly attacking the Anmigam by saying I want Asura Dev's total global chattel properties in their hand, by saying he is asking something from females and they are killing Asura Dev family females by saying Asura Dev females should not manage the Asura Dev's global chattel properties, and we are beautiful than Asudadev females or Asudadev families are global president of the earth by saying they should bow their head to females and they should chuck the sexual liquid, that is 3 days periodic liquid, then only they are called as God. Otherwise they will not called as God. Like that they are saying something, and they are joined with some Muslim terror organization, and they are changing the face of the God Asudadevan like Asuran Varadarajan, and they are attacking the Asudadevan who are in Karnataka from Tamil Nadu without hearing the word of the central government, and they are having very great terror network in all the countries, and they are attacking the Dev family and other families by try to confusing others by joined with army and polices. Army and polices are saying, they are saying the word, I am not a worker for particular Laman. Anyone can rule. I will work for them. That is the word of that police type of areas or army type of areas. So they are not a security forces, or they are just a worker. They will salute to anybody. They will not give any security to peoples. Even Asuran capture the country, they will shoot the good peoples. They will not listen the word of the good peoples. They are saying like that to others. So what the need of that police station to have weapons? I am asking this, in democracy, without giving the security to people, why that police station is needed inside the democratic country by saying I am not a worker for Ramdev, I am also a worker for Ravana. Ravana is accused who is killing this much people inside the earth by saying I want to kill, I am ruling. Like that they are saying. What the Ravana is saying to others, if accused capture the ruling, accused will become a good people, and good people will become accused. It's a word of the accused Ravana. Along with that accused Ravana, what that army and polices are saying, that word is only correct. If accused capture the country, we will work for accused. So as per democracy, no need for that salary expenditure inside the democracy country. India is a democracy country. Any people can raise a question. Indian Prime Minister need to respond to that question. What is the question of Indian citizen towards the Indian Prime Minister? If one accused capture the country, army or police need to shoot without saying I am a worker of anyone, Ramara or Ravana. Ravana is accused, Ravana is a Dev. If they don't want to work for Ramdev, at least they should not do any disturbance to Ramdev. That is a simple word to them, but they don't know about that. They are still disturbing the Ramdev supporters by saying, I don't like this type of words. I need a word like who is ruling, I will work for them. But they are saying they are working for democracy. What is called democracy? As per the word of the people, people need to, army need to work for people. As per democracy, the meaning set by the people, they are saying democracy as a people's servant or like that they are saying. But these type of armies are saying Ramdev or Ravana, who is in ruling, I will work for them. And what is the need for that security forces, and why I need to give this much salary? Being a democracy, I am asking this question. During Ravana ruling, nearby 2 crore people are buried inside the sand to Sanda power by saying, I want to kill this much people. This was supported by Indian army. This was supported by Indian army by saying, Ramdev or Ravana, who is ruling, I will serve for them. That is not a problem. But that army should not disturb the Ramdev who tried to attack that Ravana. Why they are disturbing Ramdev family by saying or concentrately attacking the Ramdev family by saying this type of word is the question from their side. Actually, Maran who are in Tamil Nadu is a patient, heart patient. Being a DSP or being a commissioner, that Maran touched that police commissioner, so that police commissioner prestigiously killed that Maran by saying police is a holy people than a god who is in politics. Who is in politics is holy than DSP, so they are in politics. They are saying polices are holy than Maran, so they should not touch a police. In that prestige they killed Maran there. That is still happening there. Still they killed all the politicians there, and they are asking what is unknown to others. They are still they are shouting in other countries also by saying, I want total earth leaning in Tamil Nadu police stand. Whether that type of police people are in drinking or any other habit they are having, total earth population is some type of 200 crore into some 1000 or 10,000. It will come nearby some 1 lakh crore nearby or 20,000 crore nearby it will come. Even total earth is in democracy. All the people will ask question against that police. What the Tamil Nadu police is asking from other countries, they are having liquor habit means they should take that liquor inside their house only. They should not shout in other countries, because as per my assumption, I am the Hasudadevan Justice, the Lord Hasudadevan. I am asking this doubt against the DSP of Koilpatti. Why you killed the Niladevi, the Dev caste, in a first entry by saying I am a DSP, I can postmortem. That man was postmortem by DSP after giving poison to that man. After that man original, actually that man placed one cloning life there. That man's cloning or one original is sleeping with one Asuran called as Vardharaju, and that man is in sex films for Asuran. This is happening there in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu this is happening. So actually what is happened inside that Jayalalitha case is still a question. They are searching lot of people. DSP is searching lot of people, but why that DSP killed that Niladevi madam is a question towards that police. Actually female police inside Tamil Nadu forcefully place myself, the Hasudadevan, in sexual torture or sexual disturbance using female ghost and other things. As per my assumption or my words, that DSP killed Jayalalitha and others, and they are expecting something. That Ra family or that police family, they are asking something, and they are trying to kill others. This man is some words from my side, because they killed Maran, they killed Jayam, they killed Jayalalitha, they killed Karunanidhi. Even that Jayam, who is not having that much popularity in politics. That Jayam also killed by some problem. After that only this is happening inside Tamil Nadu. Varadarajan the Asuran, who killed Madadipati of Varadaraja Bhagavan temple. Varadaraja Bhagavan temple, Varadaraja power is with Madadipati. Madadipati was killed by females, by assumption. If female killed that Madadipati and they gave some output to fail Varadarajan, the animal, that animal is running outside and they are killing other people and they are asking the properties of that richest families. By placing the sin over that type of animals, they will try to take the properties, because female's aim is properties only. So as per the word of Asudadevan, still my life partner is not come to my house. Being a Asudadev, I am trying to create Namar caste. My life partner is in higher caste. These Nadars and some others, Nadars, some respectable personalities, killed one higher female by firing that female, by saying some unwanted words. And they are saying some Tamil films like Mella Tharanda Kadavu, so I am searching Asudadevan to sleep in my bed. Like that some other females are calling. Actually what is happening there, that is I don't know. They are saying I am not a god, Iyengaran, but I am in a research. I am saying that openly to all the earth. I am in the research to get that my life partner who is in higher caste return to the earth, and I want to live with that higher caste females. Other than that, higher caste females, the god Iyengaran, the Asudadev, is having lot of life partners. I am openly saying this already. I said that in Facebook. So being a god, I am in the research to take out my life partner in higher caste than Nadar caste, to take out the higher female who fired by Nadars. It's my research. I am doing that research. I need to get good output in that research, because all the slippers are asking myself a question whether you are a god. I am a god. I am the person earth god, so I am called as global person. I no need to set that to others, because that I already said to others and I am doing my work. Why terrors are showing their slippers towards myself by asking whether you are a Lord Shiva? I am the Lord Shiva of the total earth. So only I am born in Indian country as a Lord Iyengar, because Hindu religion, the Lord Shiva, as per the beliefs said by the Hindu religion, Lord Shiva is a king of all the religion. That God, Lord Shiva, who is myself, will born in all the countries than in Indian country. I am not only for Indian country, I am in all the countries. As a God, I can born in all the countries, so I am having that global president and I am doing that work. Being the female, they should bow their head, but they are not ready to bow their head. They are asking total properties in their hand and they are having prestige by saying, I want that total global power in democracy. Whether democracy can give their democracy property to my house, because I am a monarchy than a democracy. Why monarchy need to give monarchy properties to democracy? It's a prestigious question from monarchy. Why monarchy need to give monarchy property to democracy property? This is a question, and monarchy is asking total democracy properties in monarchy again. This is a word to democracy from monarchy. I can't give my property to any democracy or any people, because I am a god. you don't know to rule the God related work. You don't know how to get a building, where building will come. You can't judge a God because you are a people. You can't judge a God. You can't place any global building in anywhere as you like because you are a negative power or you are power against myself. You are fighting against myself. Some females are saying in Prestige, I am a 5-star organization. I am a global president. I am having 32 names. I am a corporate president. I am having 32 names. If you want, I can say that in open all the meetings. I am having 32 names. In one of the name, I am a king of 5-star organization, the God Kanna. I am a terrestrial God. I am also a terrestrial God. I am also a Lachya God. I am also a Ucha God. Like that I am having 32 names for myself. What they are saying to me and what they are shouting in front of the roads and what they are trying to say. I am a God. I will not get any same like you. I am having this much life partner like Indran. Like Indran is having 1000 life partner. I am having some type of life partners. I can't give my power to any gene what you are creating and who are all inside. Some servant is asking my powers in their hand along with some females by saying I touched one female, so I want power of God. Female don't have any power. They are just an object. That I already said to here. They are saying something. They are searching some female of, like my life partner, and they are sleeping with my life partner. For that, how I can give my power to them is my question towards that terror organizations. Terror organizations will search my life partner only to sleep with them. So only they are called as terrorists. But how I can become a terror organization like them? I am a God. I am doing my work. In the public they are shouting myself as the fire rock organization, and they are trying to create problem in that area along with their supporting police stations. I am a Hasudadevan. I am a God Ayangaran. God Ayangaran is a new God. After Dava only I can get a God Ayangaran power. You are power waster, money waster. You are wasting total power of the earth in the sky by shouting. You are taking the spams of Asudadevan by Hasidava. By Hasidava, the Bodhi Chakar. They are chucking the Bodhi powder by placing in their hand, and they are using some tube. They are chucking that, or they are taking that. Like that you are chucking, you are taking my spams, and you are sleeping with some females in your house. That is your life. You are doing something. For that, I can't give my global president post by saying you are democracy or by saying you are all very beautiful than me. If you take my spams like that, I will lose my brain only. As per doctor certification, I am having lot of Mandal certification than you. I am a Mandal family, the lunar god. I am a Mandal god than you. I am doing my Telangana work called as terrestrial lunar god, the Lord Kanna, the Lord Ganesha. I am the Lord Ganesha. I am doing my terrestrial lunar work than you. I am having lot of Mandal certification. If you want, you can consult my doctor who are checking me. If you have any Mandal certification, you can show that to other countries. Lunar god in Tamil or in explanation, they are saying lunar as a creating some mental problem by attacking the brain. To attacking my brain, Kasidava is taking my spams by holding in my spermaton, my universe. It will affect the brain only. So it is creating some problem in the brain. It is a nature one. For that, females are asking and they are complaining something like that. I even don't have a scale 1 power. They are saying I am having scale 3 power and I am calling some other females nearby. I even don't have any first power, scale 1 power, I don't have even a scale 1 power. They are saying about scale 3 power of sounding in the sky. As per the word of the females are saying I should not give any power to God cell organization by saying we want all the power in my mouth and in my sexual system. As per the word of the females are asking all the Anmiga power in the sexual system of the females. So females are only holy people than Anmiga Vadigal like others, males. They are saying like that and they are asking the power of Anmiga peoples are males. That is not a question of myself. They are not ready to come to my house to live with myself. Like that they are saying and they are killing my life partners in front of my eyes itself. And they are placing some prostitute like Kavita in the temple in Telangana, and that prostitute Kavita is shouting in the sky by saying I am a life partner of God Selva Ganeshan. Like that they are saying. But that female is having one life partner in Tamil Nadu called as Santosh. But that female is saying temple is a Kallathodaput area, so I can marry Santosh and I can stay in temple for some other work. That female is saying I want total properties of cell organization in my hand. So for that only I am sitting like that. This type of females are having support of some terror organization and they are attacking the total air. Total Earth is surrounded by terrorists and we are trying to escape from the terrorists. On that time, this type of police is also attacking the good people by saying I am serving for Asura forces. Actually what they are as thinking I don't know. Why that type of forces is recorded inside the government by saying this type of words. Because monthly totally some crore monies are spent by government for this type of work. Security forces like army, polices. Even they are not ready to consider any application of peoples and they are sleeping like that and they are saying we are holy people than a God. They are saying they are holy people than a God. If anybody touch the police, even a patient touched any police, they will not bear that and they will kill that personality who died because of policies. Maran, this auntie, who is a politician, who is a patient, who did something because of some angry. He is a heart patient, they killed that heart patient. By saying, I am a police, then you, I am holy than the God. They are asking the question something like, I am a police, holy than a God. So I am beating the God. Like that they are saying. And that much big holy people, why they are supporting Asura forces is unknown to others. Because they are holy people, so they are supporting Asura forces like that I am thinking. That is not a question. But along with females, they are calling myself as a 5-stroke organization. I am having 5-stroke organization also. I am having Lachya supporters also. I am having terrestrial supporters also. I am having Ucha supporters also. So only I am having these type of characters, so I am called as a global president. I am not only a 5-stroke. I am having 32 characters than your Sivakumar and than your Asura forces like Vardarajan. So only I am called as Vasudev, the global president. But so what they are trying to do, they are taking the my spams and they are trying to create some duplicate global president to eat my total properties. by saying God should not come inside to earth. We want to eat total properties in our females control, and we want to enjoy total earth properties in females mouth and sexual systems. Like that they are saying, and they are shouting in the skies, and they are trying to confuse all the males in the air by saying females are only having control in the network, so we want total properties in our hand. We don't want any males in our network, like that they are saying. But I am only designing all the work. They are asking the question like that. World is in female. World power is female. Like that they are saying. What they are thinking about world prince. If one world is there, world will go prince and princess. I am a prince of the world. They will not think about myself. They will think about world princess only, because they want to get some sugam from world princess. So they are saying like that. That type of females are saying, I want to sleep. Directly I want to sleep in the bed of others. After that only I will come to the world prince bed. Like that they are saying. Sometimes they are also saying, I will not come to prince bed, but prince need to give all the properties of the prince to princess, and prince need to die, because I want to live with some terrors and I want to enjoy the life. Like that they are saying. If any prince is trying to cheat the princess like this, that is during the sleeping with terrors, if any prince will not give money to that type of terrors, the princess will join with Kulipada, and we will kill the prince. Like that they are saying. That is also already happening in there. That is not a problem. But I am doing one work called as Nimandana mountain. That mountain is for the purpose of verifying the marriage of God and Goddess, and it need to set to God. That is the purpose of the global charitable mountain called as Nimandana mountain. These type of females are asking, after cutting my sexual system and my spams, they are placing some other sexual system and some other things, and they are taking the spams and they are creating sexual torture to me by saying God is in Sakradava. Like that they are saying and taking the spams, and they are trying to give birth of Namadeva, Namarcast by praying, by purity, or by pathing, or doing something. They are doing something. Daily they are taking bath, and they are showing their devotional dava, and they are trying to get something, and they are trying to do sex with my princess. They are trying to do sex with my princess to get Namar caste child. That is not a question of myself. Why they are disturbing myself? Why they are asking my work and my powers is my question. Because princesses are not ready to come here, so but they are asking my powers and my Maragosi language and Maragosi works and my other language work like DAS and other works in their control. They are saying I want total properties of myself in their hand. Like that they are asking. As per their words, if anyone world come, respective female will die. But world itself still not created by global president. They are saying I am having some world power in my sexual system, so they are doing some sex with that my sexual system, so they are my world members. Like that they are saying something. I am not a world prince, I am a God. I can change total. I can change total earth operation as per the requirement to manage the earth. Being a female, you need to accept that, because you are not ready to hear what I am saying. You are asking total properties of the God in your hand by joined with one Asura force like accused Kavita. Accused Kavita is saying also to prostitute with others. If anybody asks question against that, I need to kill them and I need to enjoy the life with other females. That is your words. I don't want to interfere in that. But why I should not do my life with my life partner, why I should not give my global, my world power, my world princess post to my life partner who is believing myself and my words than you type of prostitutes who are doing prostitution against myself? Is my question. For that, what they are saying is my prestigious question, because I am doing my prestigious presidential party against the females only who are fighting against myself by saying I should not take any properties than females. They are saying female want to eat all the properties than God, Selva Ganesan, the global president, and global president need to die. This is the fight of females in the earth by saying God should not have any property to eat. Females only need to eat the properties. Like that they are saying. So I am creating this party called as prestigious presidential party, and what I am doing the work, all the work is presidential, all the work is prestigious work, because they are fighting very aggressively against myself by saying I should not have any properties and I should not facilitate a life with my life partner. So I am prestigiously saying I need one beautiful life partner, future life partner from least area of all the countries. This is the word towards the females from male side. From my side, I am the Asuda Devan, the global president, is asking one life partner from one least area for my work. I will not give any salary, I will give dividend only for my work. I am calling my family supporters. And why this type of accused are attacking my family females by saying I want global posting in their hand, and they are asking what they are asking from me. They are asking my power only. They are asking my power by saying they will have very purified body and purified smell in their body. For that I can't give my powers to them, because they are calling myself as some sexual system, because I don't have power. But I am having that power. They are asking my power and my genotic character, my gene character in their hand by asking question from the court by saying I am a sexual system. So you are a sexual system, you are asking my power into your hand. I am not a sexual system like you. I will not give my power to other females. How I can give my power to some females or others who are giving sexual torture by asking my powers? I can't give my powers to any females who are saying myself as a sexual system or other accused. I am not accused like these type of females. These type of females got accused and lost their property rights in the case of Lord Kanna, in the case of Lord Ganesha. These type of females are called as accused on those days itself. I can't give my properties to anybody. I can't give my mountain to anybody. I am doing my work. My caste members are in problem. I am working for them. I can't give my caste life to Nadar caste, because I am a Iyengaran caste. I am doing my Namar caste. It's a vegetarian caste than non-vegetarian peoples like Nadars. I am doing my vegetarian caste than non-vegetarian. So I can't give the Nadar caste are saying Namar caste need to give birth of Madi like peoples who are cleaning the man waste of the people, because vegetarian people need to clean the toilet latrine only than non-vegetarian people. Like that they are saying. Like that they are saying, and they are doing something. That is their words. They are saying something. That is not my work. That is not my work. I am doing my work by joined with terror organization. Females are killing my life in there by saying during Raman's birth I killed Lama Enam and I stolen the Ramadevan properties. Like that they are saying from Bharatiya Janata or other some other parties, but your country is not ready to develop. Like that you are saying and you are taking some other jokes by saying this type of words. For that I can't give anything to you, because earth is always developing. Some type of students are saying, I am saying about poor civilization. I will say what is called poor civilization. How people can civilize. Civilize in Tamil, how you can develop your skill or your character. It's a word. It's not a Britain ruling. It's a basic ruling. How you can improve the earth. It's called as civilization. You can't change or you can't give some difference in that wordings. Civilization is developing, upgrading the character of the people or developing the skill. Some students are saying females should not ask other property. I can give that as a civilization in the earth. Some students are saying like that also, because females in openly they are asking the properties of males by sending ghost or other things, and they are speaking something like in the TVs, ghost will not have in the earth. So all are saying lie to females. Like that they are giving some words towards the males or some people who are fighting against the ghost. Like that they are saying. That is also not a word in my presidential word. My word is, my prestigious presidential word is, I can't give any powers, any properties to any females. I can give only dividend to my employees also. My management, my employees, all I can give dividend only. That is only my words towards total earth peoples. Because my servants are there and they are ready to work for that. But these type of peoples, even they will disturb the independency building, independency function, this type of things, they will say this word. I will not allow to Independence Day function. That is the word of all the accused who are trying to collapse the earth. Like that they are shouting and they are doing something, they are killing my Inam. For that also I can't give anything to them. They are killing my caste internal tongue peoples by saying, if you are a male, come to my jail and fight against the polices who are having fat parties. Polices are asking nearby 40 lakhs monthly or year or 1 lakh yearly or 60,000 monthly for beating